design correctly, but you have to manage it what you're trying to. So this is a round part, you can manage C, and this is kind of thing. Radius of 5 on both sides will come out. So since this is 90, the center point of the circle will be 80.
Started? Okay, so first of all, we have to take the new file. The recording has started. So take new file, take part, click OK. Okay, now the two settings. First, choose MMGS.
Now you can see that the diagram is completely flat. So you can come out of the sketch,
Some sound is coming up.
click on features, go to revolve option.
That's the video
And you
sound.
can see this time it has not automatically selected the axis and the cross section. So this sometimes happens, as I explained in the previous video.
Okay. So sound is coming from any desk. Right. So we have started this part. Now what we have to create? We want to create this washer. Okay. So to create that washer, I will go with front view, go to sketch, and I will create a rectangle. I will just create a rectangle here, and I will take a center line here. Now I have to give the dimensions. Before that, I'll just hide the planes. Dimensions I will take. So what is the inner dimension? Inner diameter, how much is this? You can see this is 14.5. Inner diameter is 14.5. So give inner diameter 14.5. Then outer diameter, how much is that? Outer diameter is how much? 35. So give 35. Yeah. And what is the height? What is the height? What is the height of this? It is 8. So give 8 here. Fine. Now it is constrained fully. Go to feature, revolve. Click OK. Next, you can give a small fillet on the outer boundary. So fillet, how much you have to give? 3 mm fillet. Radius 3 mm fillet. Okay. And on the inner one here, you have to give chamfer. You have to give chamfer. Now look here, how much chamfer we have to give? 25 is the outer diameter. When we give chamfer, we cannot feed that diameter. We have to give this distance. So here you see, for example, 10 into 45. So we had fed this vertical distance, right? So here also we have to calculate that length. How to calculate? 25 minus 14.5, half of that, correct? So here I'll take the same. So we'll first take bracket open, 25 minus 14.5, bracket close, divided by 2, enter. So it has calculated that length to be 5.25. You can see that. Click OK. So this is our washer. This is our washer. Once that is created, save it. It's already there. And then take new file, part. Okay. Now in this file, we will create what? What will we model here? What will we model here? This screw, part number 6. Okay. So for the screw, once again, go to front view, take sketch, take line, start from here, go straight, cross, straight, a little cross, and close. Okay. I will hide the planes. This is the cross section you have to create. Then take center line here so that we can take diameters. Then take smart dimension from this point to the center line. This total is how much? How much is the total? 24. So look in your manuals and tell me this length is how much? This is M12. M12 means diameter 12 we have to take. Okay, this one here you can see. Okay, M12 means diameter 12 we have to take. Then from this point to this line, what is this height? 6. Now here, this angle we have to take 60. It is not given in the diagram, but we have to take it like that. Then height, you can see it is 30. Correct? Now take this, go to feature, revolve. Okay. So this has been created. So we still need the groove for the. Why do we need this groove? If you see the diagram, you can see there is a groove here. Okay? So why do we need this groove? For the screwdriver. For the screwdriver, right? So 2 mm. So I'll go to front plane sketch. So you can see I'm selecting the front plane without enabling it. So from left side also you can select, or else you have to turn it on, then select front, again go to sketch. Then you have to rotate it to front. Now take center rectangle. Take center rectangle. Center point, click on this line and it should be touching the upper plane. So what should be the dimension? 2. Fine. Depth how much? Depth also, if you want to make same, you can do it. So select this line, press Control, select this line and make them equal here. Done. Next, feature, extrude cut, through all, both. Through all, both. Click OK. Done. Save it. No need of thread. Yeah, screw small. You can save it with the name screw small. Okay. So save it like that. Okay. Yes. So these two parts have been explained. I don't think I have to explain this part because you are already perfect with this. So 2 simple extrudes you can use, or 1 cross section revolve. So there are those 2 methods for creating that. Okay. So please